What up, y'all? It's Marcus. I'm uploading this video for my So Wavy channel and my Wavy Reaction channel. This is more of a reaction slash review. Focus. I finally got some light. Y'all. If y'all been watching my YouTube videos, in the background it won't be as bright as I want it to be as an upcoming YouTuber. So I went on Amazon, found some lights. I don't know how good it is, nor do I know how bright it is. But let's unbox it. I had it for maybe like 4 or 5 days, week, something like that, something around that nature. I had it for that amount of time. I've been saving it in a box so I can open it up for you guys. So let's open it. Oh snap! This is what it looks like. It's a good view in. But this ain't push. Do I have it backwards? Oh, here you go. Push, push. Pushing. Focus. God. Okay, let's open it. This is, I have no idea. Dang! This is the light bulb. The light bulb. Look how big this light bulb is. It's better be bright. It gotta be bright. You just got to. Look at it. Look at it. Dang. Okay. What I'm nervous about, I seen some reviews on Amazon. I was told, no, I wasn't told, but I read that some of these light bulbs don't work. So I'm really hoping if this is true, that I can go to the hardware store or Home Depot to buy another one. But I've never seen a light bulb like that before. My battery had died, but let's get back to it. I was actually having a hard time, actually, to be quite honest with you. Let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. Look at that. Look at that, look how big it is. Alright, let's put this big ass light bulb in now. Come on, screw in now. There we go. Y'all see? Okay. Now get the other one off. Push, push, push. Watch how I cook. I don't know. Really hoping it's bright. See, look, I'm already like black. Like, I'm black. Like, y'all can see it. Look how dark it looks in here. Like, it looks horrible. Like, you can barely see me. That's how black I am. Like, ugh. stuff out the way. Whoop. How do it look? Y'all see both of them? Is it me or is it one bigger than the other? Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Look at it. Whoa. Dang, look how bad. Can't even see me. Be right back. Looks like I'm gonna have to switch sides because the cord for the lights goes over there. Not over here. It goes over there. Be right back. Okay, I finally got the lights set up now. Let's see how bright it is. I've been waiting. Boom! Boom! Wait, you can't see me. Oh, right. The lights have to be behind the camera. Duh. But it's very bright. Very bright. Very bright. I know y'all can't. Excuse the room. Can y'all see me now? Look how bright it is. Let me get back. Let me get in the light. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, made my teeth white. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Woo! My God! Look at that now! Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Oh, look at that! Oh, look! Take my picture! Oh, take my picture! Oh, take! Oh, oh! Oh, yeah, I like this. This is bright. I really like this. Let me show y'all what I was using. Oh, I look good. Y'all see the difference? How, if y'all been watching my old videos, compared to how it looks now, so much better. I did not expect the lights to look like this. I paid, excuse me, I paid maybe like $50 to $60 for these lights on Amazon. What? Come on, look, it made my teeth white. Oh, it made my teeth white. Let me show y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what I was using at first. Hold on. This is what I was using at first. Right here. You see the color of this light? Horrible. Look at the upgrade. I like this. Man, I was having a little hard time setting the lights up, so I was acting slow a little bit, but I got it. This is nice. Man, but anyway, welcome to 2020, y'all. Man, we made it. We survived 2019. We're in 2020. Many blessings to all you guys, man. And the amount of subscribers that I do have, my wavy reaction channel, and the many subscribers that I do have for my So Wavy channel, I'm very appreciative. And I want y'all to work with me as I grow, because starting now, 2020, come on. It's every day now. Look at that. Every day. Oh, 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 ha ha. Yeah, man, I like this. Come on, love.